For anyone tired of seeing the check engine light and having no clue why, the 2025 upgraded OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool offers a professional and affordable solution. This versatile engine code reader is designed for all vehicles made after 1996 in the US, 2002 in the EU, and 2008 in Asia. It's compatible with nearly 98% of cars on the road today. With support for 9 OBD2 protocols, this tool covers all the basics: read and clear trouble codes, turn off the malfunction indicator light, MIL, check freeze frame data, and perform IM readiness tests before your next smog check. It even retrieves your vehicle's VIN automatically. Whether you're a beginner, a DIY enthusiast, or a mechanic, this scanner makes diagnostics simple and accessible. The built-in 35,901 DTCs, diagnostic trouble codes, give it a major edge over older models that might only hold a fraction of that database. With just a few clicks, users can identify what's wrong without ever needing to search online. One standout feature is the real-time live data stream, complete with graphing capabilities that show how your engine is performing as you drive or idle. There's also a battery voltage test, oxygen sensor testing, and access to advanced Mode 6 and Mode 8 diagnostics. For those who need more than just a code reader, the tool offers EVAP system testing, allowing you to check for fuel system leaks and monitor emissions-related performance. That makes it ideal for tackling more complex problems or simply preparing for emissions testing with confidence. What sets this tool apart isn't just what it shows you, but how it helps you track your car's health over time. With built-in DTC playback and a printing function, the scanner allows you to export and save diagnostic reports to your computer. This can help prevent unnecessary repairs and arm you with clear evidence when dealing with a mechanic. Combined with free lifetime software updates, the V519 remains future-proof, ensuring it stays relevant as vehicle systems evolve. Whether you're addressing a specific issue or just doing a routine scan, this tool offers an efficient, budget-friendly way to stay ahead of car troubles. And with the ability to view all previous scans and monitor trends, it's great for tracking long-term performance. Beyond its capabilities, the scanner is designed with usability in mind. The clear 2.8-inch color screen and newly redesigned interface make navigation a breeze. Even first-time users can feel confident using it right out of the box, no technical manual required. While it doesn't support ABS, SRS, or transmission systems, it delivers professional-grade diagnostics for engine-related issues, which are often the most critical. Backed by a 24-month warranty and responsive customer support, the V519 provides peace of mind and long-term reliability. Whether you're troubleshooting a warning light, checking performance before a long trip, or just staying informed, this upgraded OBD2 scanner is a solid investment. It's a practical, powerful tool that puts vehicle knowledge and savings right in your hands.